Big man in our music now. Wherever turn them beat against the little youth them. And them fight against the little youth them. And them want to tell the little youth them what them must say. And them want to tell the youth them what them to do. More make on know.
Wagwan my people, bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know before me jump in at the video, I beg everybody, like, and all of my new listeners them, please subscribe to the video. So that's actually the only thing Mega asks on to do to the people. Just like and subscribe for my new people them. Alright, so that one here hot my people. And before me jump in at you don't know me have to take that little time frame here as well. And thank Father God for life. Cause without that, none of this is not possible. Alright? So what going right here now people is last weekend was the Welcome to JamRock Reggae cruise, and that was the biggest thing in the island. You understand? A lot of entertainers was there, a lot, and we have a lot of videos on this channel here that you guys can go and follow up on just to know exactly what happened over the whole JamRock weekend. You understand? But people, these are the major pointers from the JamRock weekend. What happened was Killa actually did he performed with Baby Cham, right? And I'm gonna drop that video right here for you guys to see. Because while he was on stage, he actually went for Valiant. You understand? The man, I don't know him this Valiant. You understand? You know about the whole dunce culture and all of them, something with them. So I'm gonna drop that video here right now so you can see it. And then, well, just a look apart, because the actual video there over on the next thumbnail.
Blood clot. One to them. So listen, Jamaica, it's either we are going to stay or we are going to decay. And we are going to be a dunceness. That's why some boy come and sing some dirty, nasty, foolish. People have been excellent and educated and smart level. Boy, say if you want I think some black people put it in a book. That means a boy you celebrate say they made us illiterate and dunce.
Alright my people, so with that said, that is what Killa said, you understand? Baby Cham was right there. It was actually a performance between the both of them. As I say, I have a video on my channel for that, so you can go check it out and watch how I go on. Alright, so with that said now people, this is where Shabba ranks coming from, you understand? And I stayed theme point and I send him direct message to Killa and also to Baby Cham if he want to take it too, you understand? And dancehall industry at large, you understand? And I tell them, say, yo, tap take set pan the younger youth them and allow them to strive and all of them things, because he must say basically when time him did just start him career, I see him so people the things say, you know, where him sing, him bring it back to even him mother, for say him mother used to say be a boogie yaga. Him sing on them something there, you understand? So we know the name that Shabba ranks have today. You understand? So basically I say allow the youth them in them space, allow them for grow and you know, stop this a swift for judge them and I come out on the media and I talk so loud against the youth them and them thing there. You understand? So people, me actually don't state how me feel already about the whole dance culture and all of them thing. Me tell you say yo, me feel like the world just there in a reverse stage right now. You understand? Nowadays when we look on things and we say yo, that body man, that no mean it bad people, that mean it good. You understand? So me just feel like the world in a reverse stage right now. And if, you know, Valiant has said dunce and them thing there, obviously people can't say the opposite, because they can't say yo, dunce people don't get nothing out of life in a people. And them people here are win. So I can't really say it a gonna be the literal word dunce, you understand? But people, that are just how me feel, we have a comment section, please make we get it busy and make a drop the full video right now for Shabba ranks and make him tell you know what him a say. Alright? Yes, I'm gonna jump out my people. Big up on yourself. Thank you, Jamaican
Big
Chat.
man in our music now. Wherever turn them beat against the little youth them. And them fight against the little youth them. And them want to tell the little youth them what them must say. And them want to tell the youth them what them to do. I want to make them know, you know. So when me did that do music, I said, we're going to go and I can do and control my mind state, you know. And look what I becomes in the face of the world. Because of my music. So I'm saying that to say this. None of you know the distance that are you melodies are the words that he say on records is going to reach. Son can't go and they couldn't want to kill the youth them talent. Give the youth them a chance to the music. The youth them not have to do the music like, oh, we do the music. I feed them music. Come out of the youth them arena and leave the youth them, make them do their music. You see me I deal with? When me did I do my music, my mother used to say, a boogie I got music, me I do.